Welcome back to AndroIndian. Today, we're continuing our deep dive into the foundational elements of project management. In this session, we'll move beyond individual projects to examine the broader ecosystem, operations, programs, and portfolios. Understanding how these components integrate is crucial for any project leader aiming for strategic excellence. Let's start with operations. Unlike projects, operations management is concerned with sustaining ongoing products and services. While projects are focused on creating something new, operations are about maintaining that value over the long term. The key difference: projects create change. Operations, on the other hand, sustain stability and routine. Additionally, projects are temporary with a defined end, whereas operations are continuous and repetitive. When a project concludes, its deliverables are often handed over to operations for daily management and maintenance. Now, let's scale up. A program is a group of related projects managed in a coordinated way. The goal of a program is to obtain benefits and control not available from managing projects individually. Think of a smart city initiative as a program with individual projects for lighting, transport, and waste management. Further up the hierarchy, we find portfolios. A portfolio consists of projects, programs, and operations managed as a group. The primary purpose of a portfolio is to achieve strategic business objectives through effective resource allocation. Portfolios focus on doing the right work, while programs and projects focus on doing the work right. In an integrated ecosystem, all these elements work together to drive the organization toward its vision. Consider the development of the Mumbai Metro. It's a massive portfolio containing multiple infrastructure programs. One program might focus specifically on the expansion of Line 1, coordinating multiple construction projects. Meanwhile, the daily ticketing and train movements are the operations that keep the city moving every day. By understanding the life cycle, project leaders can better anticipate when a project should transition into operations. Mastering these foundational elements is the first step toward professional excellence in project management. It allows you to look beyond the immediate task and understand how your work contributes to the bigger picture. To recap, we've covered the differences between projects and operations and how programs and portfolios organize our efforts. For more insights, visit AndroIndian.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.